Day 6 of 365 days of gratitude. My personal challenge for myself to keep it going, keep it moving, speak my gratitude into the universe, right? So today I am very grateful for our property around us, our home. It isn't a whole lot yet. We don't have much more than just our RV and a container and some tents. But it is 5 acres of peace and beautiful trees, and fresh air and 1,000 stars at night, and it's actually billions of stars at night, and fireflies in the spring, and deer in the morning. Sometimes turkeys walking up your driveway. It's pretty amazing. And for someone who was never really quite settled in one place until adulthood, who's never quite lived in a quiet place, this is a whole different world out here for me. And I'm very thankful. So, day 6 is thankful for this beautiful property. And I guess little Phil is going to come up and say hi. Hi, Phil. Little Phil. What are you thankful for?